Wow. Alright. So, I was browsing Amazon for mystery boxes to open up my channel because it seemed cool. And I enjoy a little mystery here and there, you know? I think we all enjoy a little mystery. So I was looking for some mystery boxes, scrolling through, and I came across this one mystery box that caught my eye. And it was basically a cell phone mystery case. But as an Amazon seller, I sell on Amazon, I'm like, how the hell are they getting away with this? So on the listing, basically it just says mystery cell phone case. On the pictures, I'll put it up right here, I could see that it's a little bit of a stripe of Gucci, Louis Vuitton, and stuff like that, and I'm like, are they selling counterfeit goods on Amazon? I didn't know people do this. Apparently I'm late to the party and this is like common knowledge now. But I had no idea. So, okay, this was the listing. So yeah, it was $10.99 and I'm like, good deal. And you could see on the picture that it's you could see a little stripe of Gucci, Louis Vuitton, and I'm like, there's no way. How is this able to be on Amazon? How is this not down? And it has 13 reviews, which means it's sold probably like 200 or 300 times. And I checked, and it's been on Amazon for the past like 250 days, this one listing. So I went down to the reviews, and I'm like, there's no way. These people, this person's going to get banned instantly.
Right to jail, right away.
One of the questions were, will luxury brands really appear? For example, Louis Vuitton, Gucci, these ones? And then the guy, ha ha, I really got a Gucci mobile phone case. I'm so happy. What?
What?
How is Amazon not banning these people? I don't get it. Excuse me, has anyone purchased this product? Will Louis Vuitton or Gucci products really? And then it cuts off because I didn't read it. And I opened the mysterious box that I found, and there was a Gucci phone case inside. So apparently this person's selling counterfeit goods on Amazon, and he's able to do it, or she, whoever, by just labeling it mystery box. So I got one, and we're just going to open it and see what we get. Okay, so it comes in this black, mysterious little thing from, obviously from China. Oh, I think I ordered the wrong one. It's not going to fit my phone. Let's open it. Wow. Wow. I'm actually surprised at the quality of it. It even has a little spot for like cards. Look at this. Even on the inside. Gucci. Wow. I mean, of course, it is on the cheaper side, but even the stitching feels like real stitching. Yeah, it is. It's real stitching. It's like real stitching. I don't know if you can see that. But this is like... the quality... Will it fit my phone? Because I think I ordered the wrong one. But this is more of like I think a woman's one. I don't think I'd be able to get away with this. I don't know. You let me know. Yeah, I think I ordered the wrong one. Yeah, I did. Whoopsie! Well, anyway, this was fun. Well, now I know you can get fake stuff on Amazon. But look at that. That's pretty cool. That is pretty cool. Is it immoral? Yes. But also, is it immoral for Gucci to charge probably like $1,000 for a phone case? You know, that's a debate, not for now. This is how you find this. Just type in on Amazon mystery box and then just look through and you'll find this. It's like on the first or second page. It's pretty easy to find. But just look through and you'll find it was $10.99, and they have it for a bunch of phones. I'm just an idiot and I ordered the one for the wrong phone. So, yeah. But I'm actually really surprised at the quality of it. It's really nice. I mean, you could feel it's a little cheap. Obviously, the real Gucci cell phone case will be a lot better, but not bad for $10. Well, all right, guys. If you don't know me, I'm Robbie Boxes. Pretty much what I do is I resell things online, Amazon, eBay, and I just want to do a little thing of on Amazon, like how these people are getting away with selling fake goods on Amazon. Is it just labeling it a mystery box? Like how? I don't know. Maybe by the time this video's up, that listing will be taken down and the person will be banned. But that listing's been up for a long time. And they're selling fake merchandise. But it's good though. I don't know. Am I a bad person for buying this? I don't know. You be the judge. I'll catch you guys later.